Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's continue our discussion for the commission and types of commission. We are done with the first two types of commission. Let's proceed in the other types of commission. For the third type of commission, we have the salary plus commission. Let's take a look how salary plus commission differ from the first two types of commission, namely graduated commission and the straight commission. By definition, some companies give additional incentive to those who make sales or able to collect money aside to their basic salary. In short, we have a fixed amount here, which is the salary and the varying amount of commission that an employee receives at the end of each salary period. How does salary plus commission work? The gross pay is equal to the rate of commission multiplied with the total sales, and we believe rate of commission plus the total sales is the commission itself. That commission received by any employee or any person should be added to the fixed amount salary. The thing that differs in salary plus commission compared for the first two types of commission is the salary itself, the basic fixed monthly salary. That's the only thing matters here. Let's try to look some example solving salary plus commission. Example number 3. Mr. Robinson, a salesman of a certain realty corporation, receive a monthly salary of $5,000 at 2% commission on his sales. If his sales last month was $1,500,000, how much was his gross pay? Let's take or write all the given in this problem. The given are salary $5,000, commission rate of 2%, and the sales of $1,500,000. Let's go back to our formula. That is our formula, right? So, after the given, you substitute in the formula. The rate of commission is 0.02. The sales of Mr. Robinson is 1,500 or 1,500,000 added to the fixed amount of salary, which is 5,000. Simplify, 30,000 is the commission plus the fixed amount 5,000, that is now 35,000 pesos. In short, Mr. Robinson received a commission amount of 30,000 in his sales. Thus, his gross pay is 35,000 pesos. The commission amount received by Mr. Robinson is 30,000. The only thing varies here, compared to the first two types of interest or commission, is the basic salary. That is the fixed amount of salary received by an employee or any person involved in an agency. Easy, right? Okay, so let's proceed to the last type of commission. That is what we call salary plus override commission. By definition, a senior has established himself and supervised other salesmen. He earns commission from his own sales and another commission or extra commission from the sales of his salesman. So how it works? Gross pay is equal to commission plus the override. In short, to understand the override commission, look at this image at your right side. Meaning, if this is you as a senior sales agent and you have person or other sales agent selling the same sales, meaning whatever sales that your other salesman sold, it will go back to you, meaning you have another another commission for that one. You have your own commission in your own sales plus the commission of your salesman. That's how salary plus override commission works. The more salesmen you have, the greater override commission you receive. That's how it works. In short, the gross pay in an override commission is your own commission plus the override commission or the commission that you're going to receive to your other salesmen. Let's take a look at this example on how salary plus override commission works. Example number 4. Salary plus override commission. Mr. Robinson, a sales supervisor of LP Sales, receives a 3% commission on his own sales plus 1% on the combined sales of the 5 salesmen under his supervision. In this statement, I have a 3% from my own sales, or Robinson sales, plus another 1% as an override commission sold by other 5 salesmen under Robinson's supervision. My own commission plus the commission I received from my other salesmen. Last month, his sales was $980,000 and the total sales of the salesman was $2,500,000. Find his gross pay. Let's identify the given here. Given our commission, Robinson sales is $980,000 and the rate of Robinson's commission is 3%. In short, in solving salary plus override commission, you have to solve 2 different commission rates. Going back, commission is equal to rate of commission plus the total sales. In this problem, let's first solve Robinson's commission by his own sales. His sales is $980,000 with a commission of 3%. So using the formula, let's substitute that one. Rate of commission is 0.03. The sales of Robinson is $980,000. That is $29,400. In short, Robinson's commission from his own sales is $29,400. Now, I'm done with Robinson's own sales. Let's proceed now to the sales of other salesmen under the supervision of Robinson. Let's clean my PowerPoint. There you go. Again, $29,000 is the Robinson's commission. Let's solve this commission of his other salesmen. Given that the salesman's sales is $2,500,000 and Robinson will receive 1% from the sales of his salesman. Same thing, you are going to solve using the general form of commission. 0.01, that is the 1% multiplied to the total sales, which is $2,500,000, and continue solving. The result now here is $25,000. So let's clean my PowerPoint now. There you go. Override commission is $25,000. From the first formula for the override commission, we have to add the commission of the sales agent plus the override commission to other salesmen. Let's clean the formula. Let's change that one into this one, kind of fix it a little bit. That's correct. I already have my own commission, just $29,400, added to the override commission of other salesmen. And the total is $54,400. That's how it works. That's how salary plus override commission. Therefore, Robinson's gross pay is 54,400. That's all for the types of commission. Again, as a sort of review, what are the four types of commission? We have, first is the straight commission. Second is the override commission. Third is the salary plus commission. And lastly is the salary plus override commission. That's how commission works. In general, talking about commission, that is the incentives added to you if you do extra works. It is done by the company to encourage all the employee to work hard. In short, commission is the amount that you're going to receive in the sales you make. To all of you, that ends our topic, commission and types of commission. Once again, this is Sir Robinson, your partner in learning mathematics. If you're done with this video, you may now proceed to the assessment in your paper classroom.